Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds SOUNDCORE C40i. And before we starting, I wanna show you that I customize some gesture. So I change single press for the left earbud to play previous track. By default it play pause the song, and double press to call voice assistant. By default it play next track. Now let's play some song. The touch controls located at the back side of the earbuds. Right here we have this circle and this actually controls. So if I press one time at my right earbud, I will play or pause the song. Let's check it. One, I pause the song. One more, and I play a song. If you press one time at your left earbud, you will play previous track. I press on it and it worked. If you press two times on your right earbud, you will play next track. One, two. Here we go, it works. And if you press two times on your left earbud, you will call a Siri. One, two. I mean, I have iOS, so I call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant or Gemini. Next, if you press and hold at your right earbud, you will increase the volume. And as you can see at this widget, I just increase it. To lower it, you need to press and hold at your left earbud. So you just press and hold, yeah, and we did it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!